My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
Kevin Durant. Number 9, Serge Ibaka. Number 5, Kendrick Perkins. Number 0, Russell.
If there isn't a team symbol on the front, it is always the positive team. Separate the number of people by their team symbol, which is always on the front.
Low key and staying candid, reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Find a comfort in the zones of closet bones I get loose to. A mountain is spontaneous, spinning in monsoon and grinning.
So when 3 people meet 2 people from the positive team, they're going to grow in number to 5 people from the positive team. So positive 3 plus positive 2 is going to give me 5.
I'm calling on the Savior to be all that I need. Please forgive me, my behavior had me lost in life.
Separate the people by their teams. Remember, the team symbol is always in the front.
The bliss between giving my all and giving up the highs and lows, paths and roads.
So when 3 people meet 2 people, both from the negative team, they're going to grow in number to 5 people.
My life be like ooh, dumb ditty. Here come that boy from the capital city.
Would return to the game left with a towel over his face. But you see, there's a smack right across.
It's stunning, and I believe in the kingdom coming. I believe if you seek the truth, you don't need to look far, cause it's gonna find you.
Again, the very first thing you do is separate them by their teams. Once you have them separated by their teams, ask yourself, what's going to happen when they meet? In this case, when the negative meets the positive, they're going to destroy one another. The question is, who's going to win? Well, the positives have more people, so they're going to win. But by how many will they win by? By 4, because they have 4 more people. Again, if you don't see a symbol in front of the number of people, they automatically belong to the positive team. Go ahead and separate them by teams, and then ask yourself, what's going to happen when these 2 teams meet? In this case, positive and negative are going to destroy one another. The question is, who's going to win? Well, the negative team is going to win because they have more people. How many are they going to win by? They're going to win by 19 because 5 of their people are going to be destroyed by the 5 from the positive team. Again, remember, if they don't have a symbol, it is automatically a positive. Go ahead and separate the teams. Once you have the teams separated, ask yourself, what's going to happen when the 2 teams meet? In this case, when the positive meets the negative, they are once again going to destroy one another. The question is, which team wins? The negative team is going to win because they outnumber the positive team. By how many people? By 45. So the correct answer is negative 45. Just to recap, when the same team members meet up, they celebrate, they join, they become bigger in number, whether those are 2 positives or 2 negatives. But watch out now, because when different team members meet, they bump heads, they fight, they destroy one another. So if a positive meets a negative or a negative meets a positive, it is over. They will fight to the death.
Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Find a comfort in the zones of closet bones I get loose to.
And finally, remember, the symbol is always, always in the front.
Encircled by my folly like a moat around the castle. Stay afloat, catch a second.